In this video, we're going to look at the vault settings to enable the item master, how to change the state of an item in the item master, and also when you've got an item locked that it's not associated through to the file in Vault. So firstly, as you'll see on my screen, I've got the item master tab. For those of you who've just installed Vault, you may not have this tab on here. To enable this, you just need to go to Tools, Administration, Vault Settings. Then on the Items tab, there's a Set Client Visibility of Item Features. We select Configure, and you can select, it's normally set to no, we just turn that on here. Secondly, if we go to the file that I've assigned as an item, just in here, it's this one here. If I go to item, we see if I right click on here and try to change state, I don't have, in this lifecycle state, I don't have a quick change option. If I go to my tools, administration, vault settings, and I go to behaviors, go to the life cycles. If I then go to edit the life cycle definitions, if I go to transitions, on the quick change state, if I go to the release to quick change, I'll go to security, you'll see the permission there's denied. If I then allow this, and I go to right click on here and change state, I then have that transition in there to quick change. Now once I change the state to this again to released, it locks the file, but then if I go back to my file in Vault, you'll see it hasn't locked the file. This is due to the lifecycle states and not having associativity from the item to the file. This can be changed in the Tools, Administration, Vault Settings. If I go to the Behaviors tab, and on the Lifecycle states, go to my Lifecycle, edit that. If you select the state, go to Security, and it's this tick box here, Security for associated files. If we select that, just go to Configure and ensure that it's applied to associated files. Click Apply, OK. Now when I next change this again, if I just switch that back to quick change to avoid a revision bump, change that again to released, OK. It's locked that file in the item master. If I go back to the file in Vault, you then see that file's locked. Thank you for watching.